Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate your short and long bridge beams. Add a thin layer of wood glue to the recessed section of your long bridge beam and fit the tongue of your short beam into the slot. Using your drill, secure the pieces together using the provided screws. Set the bridge beams aside and place the main door panel on your work surface. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of your door panel and fasten them into place using your drill and the provided screws. Open the plunge hole hinges and insert one side into the holes found on the edge of your main door panel. Use your drill to secure them into place using the screws provided. Locate your second door panel and insert the plunge hinges into the holes on the panel's edge. Use the provided screws to secure the hinges into place. Place a rubber bumper on each corner of this panel, then set your assembled door panel aside. Locate the wooden corner wedges and insert the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes. The silver screws should be inserted into the innermost holes, and the black screws should be inserted into the outermost holes. Locate your bottom panel and one of the side panels. Place the side panel on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes toward the bottom of your side panel. Align the dowels on your bottom panel with the holes on the side panel and push them into place. Gently tap the panel with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Use your nail gun, drill, and screws to secure the bottom and side panels where they meet. Locate your other side panel and add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes toward the bottom of your side panel. Align the dowels on your bottom panel with the holes on your side panel and push them into place. Gently tap the panel with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Use your nail gun, drill, and screws to secure the bottom and side panels where they meet. Locate the back panel of your cabinet box. Align the back panel with the joint grooves found at the back of your cabinet box and slide it into place. Gently tap the back panel with your mallet to secure it into place. Place your wood corner wedges in the top corners where your side and back panels meet, approximately 2 inches inward from the top panels. Use your drill to fasten them into place. Locate your remaining side panels. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes and align the side panels with your cabinet box. Use your mallet to gently tap the connection points and eliminate any gaps. Use your nail gun to further secure the panel to your cabinet box. Further secure the corners of your cabinet box using the provided brackets and screws. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes at the top of your cabinet box. Install the bridge beam so the longer beam connects the front side panel to the back side panel on the opposite side. Tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Use your nail gun followed by your drill and screws to further secure the connection points of the panels. Turn the cabinet box onto its side so the door opening is facing you. Place the bifold door on your work surface and push it against the side panel so the hinges align with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box. Use your drill to secure the hinges into place using the provided screws. Stand your cabinet box upright. Using the prepackaged screws, attach the first half of your magnet door catch to the upper corner of the door panel, roughly 2 inches from the top and side edges of the panel. Align the second part of the magnetic door catch with the edge of the bridge beam closest to the outside corner of your door panel and attach it with the provided screws. Congratulations on completing your assembly.